Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can view your backup photos in Google Photos app. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under this video and make sure to write comments after watching. And let's get started with you and me. And first of all, you will not need to open the Google Photos app on your device. When you open it up, here you'll be able to see a list of all the photos that copied to Google Photos. But often these are only photos that have been copied from your own device, for example. And there may not be some old photos that you may have copied from other devices, perhaps from a computer, another phone, and so on. So I recommend that you start by opening a web browser and then type photos.google.com into your search and click Search. Now please go to Google Photos and then log into your account that is associated with Google Photos. For that, click on the three bars at the top and make sure that you are logged into that account. So friends, you will already be able to see the different lists of your photos and videos in more detail. You can scroll through it, look at it by year, by date, and so on. It's also very convenient here. Everything is broken down, for example, into videos, into albums, and so on. So you can easily see completely all the backups, photos, and videos that you have in your Google Photos. Dear friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put your likes. Take care, friends.